WebsiteValidator.com provides free W3C validation landing page audits to identify source code errors to improve website visits and reduce bounce rates. We audited 415 lines of source code for ClassroomSalon's landing page on June 19, 2013, and found 179 errors. We estimate will require 15 to 20 hours to correct. First, let me state this. You're not alone serving invalid code. We have audited over 1.6 million lines of source code from U.S. corporate websites to better understand W3C compliance, and was not surprised at a 30% error rate because of the popular assumption invalid source code is inconsequential and does not affect server statistics. The semantic and the style codes were audited using free W3C validation tools introduced in 1990 to identify errors and warnings for correction to improve interoperability. However, the interest and the importance in source code validation has diminished since then. The landing page findings were compiled, compared, ranked, and benchmarked to our survey to provide a deeper understanding of the source code before correction and validation. As you know, all browser visits are served semantic source code first, and the results are recorded as a hit or a bounce. SEO tag audit. Title, description, and keyword tag content is processed by search engines, bots, crawlers, and client browsers for matching keyword, generic, and paid searches. The title tag uses only 30 of 70 allowable characters to introduce the website, and the description and keyword tags are not used, reducing SEO opportunities. I am enclosing a reference for SEOmoz.com, a website that publishes best practice guidelines for semantic tags. I used that website and designed compliant title, description, and keyword tags and observed a triple-digit increase in hits the next day after changing them. Here is the 5-test process for HTML and CSS using W3C validation tools found at w3.org. Test 1, HTML and CSS level 2.1, links and feeds, the components of interoperability, with color-coded results for green for valid, red for invalid, and blue for issues. This is the desired results by requiring valid source code before final payment, a lesson I learned from my first website. The impact of serving valid code can only be realized in retrospect after validation. Therefore, anyone serving invalid source code is uninformed of the impact or assumes source code errors are inconsequential and do not affect server statistics. Test 2 checks HTML semantic code and displays errors and warnings by line number for correction. Test 3 validates CSS level 3 and displays errors and warnings for correction. Test 4 validates mobile friendliness, displaying errors for correction, even if you're planning a separate mobile website. Test 5 includes processing time and validates links, components used in Google's PageRank algorithm. Links, redirects, and anchors should be corrected because of their importance in the Google PageRank. Panda and Penguin are algorithms used in Google's PageRank method. There are over 300 million active websites, projected to be over 1 billion by 2015. Therefore, I believe the importance of serving valid code and relevant transparent content will improve your website's interoperability. If, after validating your landing page source code, and quantifying the impact of serving valid code, you are interested in W3C monitoring, please visit websitevalidators.com. Thank you.